Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to deposit money in Binance from UAE. First, open the Binance app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the home screen, tap Wallets in the bottom right corner, then select Deposit under your current balance. Next, choose the currency you want to deposit, such as AED, United Arab Emirates Dirham, and tap Continue. Enter the amount you want to deposit and tap Buy USDT. Select your preferred payment method and then tap Confirm Purchase. Carefully review all payment details, including the reference code and bank account information provided by Binance. Then, open your banking app and transfer the specified amount to the Binance bank account using the details provided. After completing the transfer, take a screenshot of the transaction and submit it in the chat section as instructed. Once all steps are completed, the deposited funds should appear in your Binance account within 2 to 3 business days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.